Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another week of untilit.works. Hopefully, you have your it ready and getting started to work on it. So this is just a quick intro to welcome anybody new and welcome anybody returning. So thank you for hanging out. Okay, so quick overview. Right now, you're looking at like the break session. So what happens here is that if you have a project or anything that you think is cool, you can sign up for a show and tell. You get like 5-10 minutes to kind of just talk about it. So just like a little practice for public speaking and things. So there's that. As you can see below the video, there's the option, and I forgot to enable speech recognition. So you can actually click the open closed caption button and it'll open up a little thing and it will, using speech recognition, type out what I'm saying. So there's that. Below that, you'll see the add a clip button along with the create a highlight video. So what those do is if there's anything that you found interesting and you want to highlight from the break sessions, you can click that button and it'll record like a 5-second long clip. Yeah, pretty sure it's 5 seconds. Then you get 5 of those. So then what happens is once you do the 5 or less than 5, you create a highlight video. So you click that button. And so when the broadcast is over, it sends all that information, the timestamps and everything, and the video to a thing I have on the back end. It goes to an API, all this stuff, and it creates the highlight clip. And you will see like a box in the work session. When we finish the actual break sessions, you'll notice in the bottom of next to the to-do list, you'll see like it'll say like submitted under highlight. And then once it's finished processing, it will have a button that says view. Then you can take a look at the highlight film, and it's customized for you too. It's pretty cool. At least I think so. And so once you get that, you can download the video and like post to Instagram. That's what I do with it. Or you can just click the tweet button and it'll send out a tweet with your video as the preview video for the thing. So for the link. So yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff that went behind the scene to get that worked out. I think I did a video previously about it, kind of like showing how I did it, but yeah, cool. Either way. And then when we're not in break session, we're in the work session. And that's where it's time to get stuff done. And so to help you along, we have some music that you can listen to while you're working. There's a to-do list to kind of keep your tasks in order and everything, to remind you what's going on. Now, if you don't have a thing, an it that you want to work on, we actually have tutorials so that hopefully will spark something in your mind where you want to create something larger or what have you. Or just, I have a Free Code Camp and the Odin Project, which I believe, from what I've heard, are really good places to get like a good introduction to coding and to see if you really like it. Because I don't want to force people into code. You know what I mean? Like, here's an opportunity to try it. And if you like it, cool. It didn't cost you any money. Then you can invest further in yourself. If you don't like it, at least you know you didn't spend any money, spend a little time, and hopefully you got another way of thinking about problems and things. So that's one thing about developing and coding. You get another view on how to solve problems, which is pretty cool. So yeah. So okay. And then also, if you get stuck on anything that you're working on, we have the Hako, which is help a coder / creator out. And that you create this, when you click it, you create like a room. And since you're the owner, you can actually share your screen. And then you can invite people into your room. And then my hope is that together, you all can come up with a conclusion or a solution for your issue that you ran into. Or maybe if you like, you make music and you want people to check out your music or what have you and get some feedback, on something you're working on, you can do the same thing. So that's why it's help a creator / coder out. Or maybe you have like a rough cut of a video you've been working on, just anything to be able to create that two-way communication to where someone gets like some sort of feedback and help that they need, like real time kind of thing. So there's that. That's a Hako. So let me know if you use it, how that works out for you. Think about the show and tell. So yeah, so if you have anything also, you'll notice the button, you can sign up for show and tell. So if there's anything that you're working on or you came across that you think was cool, feel free to please come on and show it. All right. I think that's pretty much it. These intros are pretty short. If you notice above at the top, you'll see like shop and I think subscribe, if I remember what I called it. Yeah, so subscribe is that we send out like notifications, push notifications to your computer that you sign up for the notification. So we have a list of all the upcoming ciphers, and you can subscribe to the ones that you want. And yeah, you get a notification when we're live. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but yeah. So again, good luck. Oh, and the shop. There's also the shop. So like I make t-shirts and things. So I don't know if you can see, this is the Spread Love t-shirt. And so like hip hop and code is a thing that I'm really into. So yeah, so I got some shirts there. Check them out if you want. There may be a sale or something. So yeah. What else? I think that's pretty much everything. I've got all my clips going. I'm going to create that highlight video. So if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you'll see like the highlight videos as I create them, as I'm posting them and stuff throughout the day. So yeah. So again, thank y'all for hanging out. Good luck with whatever it is that you're working on. Feel free on Twitter or Instagram to hit me up. Our show. Oh no, wait, that was the radio show. I'm still in the radio show mode. But my Twitter is lifelong dev. So if you're working on something, feel free to let me know. And yeah, I'm a JavaScript developer advocate. So if you have like any JavaScript stuff, I work at Vonage, and I pretty cool. Oh, and so yeah, speaking of that, a lot of the stuff that we're using here is Vonage like products and APIs. So I figured, as a JavaScript developer advocate, how can I advocate for something that I don't use in my own side projects? You know what I mean? So in this way, I can really get an understanding of what's capable and then answer other people's questions of what they have when they use it. You know what I mean? Or I can like recommend certain things because I've done it before and I can help you get it completed, kind of thing. So yeah, so the tutorials, there's some from Vonage, and they're ones that I've helped work on. So if you have any issues with them, feel free to please let me know, because I want it to be something straightforward for people to be able to use and get something working, up and running. So yeah, I think that's it. So cool. Thanks for hanging out. We're going to let me set this timer here. So the break sessions are always 15 minutes after the hour, right? So you normally have like 45, 50 minutes to work on whatever it is that you're working on. And then we come back. So yeah, nice little break session kind of thing to break up the whole just focus work kind of thing. So I've got a bunch of post radio show promo stuff to set up. So email blast to different radio promoters and post stuff to our social media and things of that nature. So that's what I'll be working on for this first part. And then, so last week, if you were here, you keep it up, I've been trying to set up this media server thing. So where I can take a camera and stream from the camera through RTMP to a server so that I can pull it up on a web page. And last week I did it one way, and I was working on it through the week, and it didn't work out the way I wanted. So I did something totally different, and I got it working after a bunch of trials and errors. And so I'm going to hopefully demo that next break. So 15 minutes after the next hour, I'll hopefully have something. If I have time, I'll maybe make slides or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to demo it because it's working, and hopefully it'll still keep working. And then kind of like what I want to do next with that. And then the final break, because we get 3 breaks every cipher. And the final break, if we don't have any show and tell stuff, I'm going to go over an independent artist website, because I'm big into hip hop and independent artists and the web. So I figured, why not combine both and maybe put people on who are familiar with the artists, and you can check out their website at the same time. All right. And then also, I was thinking about this. So a new thing I may add is that links and stuff that I talk about, there's no way of being able to show that on the archive video. So I'm thinking maybe in a future update, I'm gonna add a section where I can put links and then it'll show up on the archive page for the video, like links mentioned or something like that. So yeah, because right now, automatically generating the summary of the video, any tags or topics from the video, and then also like a transcript, all like AI generated. So you like your use case may vary, like whatever comes out of it. So just let you know it is automatically generated. I didn't put those things in there myself. So yeah, cool. So again, thank y'all for hanging out. We're gonna get y'all back to work. And yeah, again, hit me up. Let me know if you need anything. Sign up if you want to show something cool. Send a Hako if you need help. And otherwise, good luck and much productivity to you. All right. Again, thank y'all for hanging out. Let me share my screen. And then I got to share the audio. Cool. All right. Thanks, y'all. Be easy.
But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me.